Hi guys, I was at Michael's today. Today is September 28th, and guess what I found? I found a few more grab bags. So let's have a look and see what's in them. Here's box number one, guys. Let's have a look and see what's in here. I'm super excited. I was surprised to see that there were a couple more of these left a couple weeks later from the release date, so hopefully they're good. I did get a peek and I can see some yarn in there, but not really sure what else they have in here. Take a little peek in there. Now that our box is out of the way, let's pull out that big roll of mustard yarn. How cute is this? This is so cool. I think it's perfect for a fall project. So that is item number one. That is gigantic. Hold on one sec. Let's see what else included here. We have another one, and this one is in my favorite color, mint, so I love it. We're gonna have a lot of fun using those. We have one in pink. How cool is this? I will have to look up some tutorials on how to make these really nice blankets that they use some thick yarn like this, so I'm gonna look at that. And how adorable is this? We have some friendship bracelets on the go. And this is one kit. It has some floss, and so here's what it comes with. It comes with the letter beads, colorful beads, and some heart charms that says best friends. Super cute. We have another one of those, but this time it is a coloring kit. How fun! I'm trying to see again what these retail for, but these have already paid for the box. And how fun are these? We have the macrame cords, and I love these three colors in gray and black. Here is a chameleon. Color changes in the light. How cool is that? $7.99. It doesn't say what color it'll change to, but that is really awesome. We have a few more of these macrame cords, and they are regularly, how much is it in US? $9.99. Wow. More of those. Oh, I love that now we have the whites and the creams in here. This is a wonderful box. There's so many items that I can use for crafting. Love that. What else do we have here? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to share this with you guys. Look, a macrame comb. So after you've done the piece, you usually comb it out, and I've seen this in videos. My dog's comb actually looks like this, so I might keep one for him. These regularly retail for $7.99, and we have several of those. More of our macrame cord. Oh wow, oh my goodness. We have Creations beads, $3.99, so that'll be fun to add to that. And look at these fun pendants. So usually when you've done doing your macrame design, what happens is you use the comb and you brush out the yarn so it has this finish at the end. How cool is that? This is actually, yeah, $5.99. We have another one in this wonderful colors, perfect again for fall. I definitely have to do a project using these items. Oh my gosh, guys. more of these combs. I'm gonna have to do a kit or something and share it with you guys. Let me see what we have in here. Oh my goodness. How fun is this box? Totally worth the $5. $3.99 for these wood beads. I don't have any of these and I love that finish. Will go well with the circle beads. How fun are these wood components? And again, these retail for $3.99. It would be great to paint, decoupage on. More of our beads. Wow. Look at these. Wow, we'll have to probably do another video for box number 2 because there is a lot of stuff in this one. Look at those colors. There's more. Wow. Amazing. Oh my gosh. We have this. How cool. That's not the only color in here, guys. Now I love this one. Oh my gosh. Look at that with the hoop, and you can definitely add it to wall decor too. That's so cool. We have them in orange. Oh my gosh. And some cream. Now there's some of this nice teal blue, which I love. More of the white ones. Wow. And we have some baby pink. So it looks like these didn't do well on their shelves because obviously they put it in clearance. And this one's a little broken, but we can fix that. But if you like macrame, isn't this fun to get this box? I mean, there are so many possibilities to use this in your journals, use them as charms, or add them as add-ons to other things. Orange. Here's the baby pink. Now we have some rust colors. And there is a few more items in here. Let me just pull these out. So a lot of those. And here's the box it came in. So the whole box was basically put in that grab box. Wow, so many. Now let's see what else we have left. Now this next item is, oh, this is adorable. I love this animal sculpture kit. Regularly $14.99. My daughter Emmy is gonna love this. We'll have to see if we can film it on camera and show you how to build this. It already has the tape included with it. That's really cool. That's neat. And then, oh, how cool. We have a lion sculpture. Now, once you're done, I've seen a paper mache artist make these, and these are wonderful because you can put as decorative items on your wall. But how awesome is that? A lion. And then we have more of our macrame beads. We have another lion. And our rhino. Look at this, a giraffe. How fun is that? That's really cute. And we have a lion. And our rhino. There is one more item here. It is another set of those macrame beads. Alright guys, if you're still watching, let's do a giveaway. I would like to give this to you, my subby. So you have to be a visible subscriber. And just like, comment, and let me know if you want to be entered. You must be 18 and older. This is a US only giveaway. And I want to give some of these macrame sets. And I'll be picking one random winner. Let's say I'll pick the winner. Let me just check my calendar. We'll pick a winner on Saturday, October 16th. And so I'm including a variety of these macrame goodies here for you. You'll get these plus some of the beads. And of course you'll need this so you can make the project. So you'll have one of the combs. So that's it. All you have to do is be a subscriber. Again, comment, be 18 and older. And we'll pick a winner on October 16th. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Stay tuned for box number 2. I wonder if it'll have the same items or something else. Alright, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.